In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz on Google Sites. Whether you're an educator looking to enhance your digital classroom or someone who simply wants to engage visitors on your site, integrating a quiz is a powerful tool to interact with your audience. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can seamlessly add a quiz to your Google site. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Google site and access the editing interface. Once you're there, a key aspect is getting familiar with the various features, so take a moment to look around if you haven't already. On the right side of your screen you'll find a menu containing different tools. What we're interested in today is the Forms option, which plays a crucial role in adding a quiz. Click on the option labelled Forms. This is where you can start bringing in those interactive elements, specifically your quiz. Why Forms, you ask? Well, Google Forms integrates beautifully with Google Sites, offering a seamless way to incorporate quizzes that are easy for visitors to use and for you to track. Once you've clicked on Forms, it's time to select the exact quiz you'd like to add. If you've previously created a quiz using Google Forms, it should be prominently listed here. This ensures that you don't have to create a new quiz from scratch, saving you a lot of valuable time. Simply find your quiz in the list and select it. This selection will bring your quiz up for viewing and editing. With your quiz selected, we'll move on to the next crucial step, inserting the quiz into your Google site. Look for the Insert button, usually displayed prominently to make this process straightforward. Clicking Insert will effectively embed your quiz into the specific page you're working on within your site. This action is crucial as it links the functionality of Google Forms with the visual and interactive elements of your site. This embedding process is virtually instantaneous, ensuring that your quiz appears on your site as you've envisioned. Your site visitors will now be able to interact with the quiz directly, without needing to navigate away or open new tabs, making for a seamless user experience. And there you have it. The quiz is now live on your Google site. This tool not only makes your site more interactive, but can also provide you with valuable insights and engagement metrics. Consider exploring additional settings within Google Forms to customize the quiz further, such as setting up automatic grading or collecting responses in a Google Sheet for easy analysis. Thank you for following along in this guide. Adding a quiz to your Google site is a simple yet effective way to foster engagement and gather feedback from your audience. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, go ahead and try it out. Happy creating!